So ito mga moms, try nyo tong challenge na to. Mixture ng lower abs at saka inner core para yung mommy pouch natin or yung lower abs natin, matarget natin. Okay, so 5 exercise po ito, tig to 12 counts. Game? First po natin is seated frog crunch. Okay, so ganito lang po. Hands on the side, then stretch your legs, then 1, 2, 3. Squeeze nyo po yung lower abs nyo. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Hinga po ng konti. Next natin is inner core naman po yung tatargetin natin. So next natin is reverse climbers. So like this po. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Tig 12 po yan 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Hinga. Next po natin is leg raises. 12 times din. Hands on my side. Diretso yung legs. Then, point your toes. Mas maganda. Then up. 1. Dandahan yung baba. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Okay. 12 times. Lower abs po yun. Next natin is inner core para sa ating mommy pouch. Okay, so hip bridges po tayo with calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze your butt up. 9, 10, 11, 12. And last po natin, ang tawag dito is dead bug. Okay? So dead bug. Stretch your arms, squeeze your inner core, then opposite, arms and legs. Palitan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huwag po kayo magmadali. 5, 6. Ang secret po dyan, dapat naka-flat yung back nyo sa floor. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, pag natapos nyo po ito, natapos nyo po yung 5 exercise na yun, rest kayo ng 1 minute, then gawa pa po kayo ng 2 rounds. I hope nakatulong. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.